Did you know Mark Zuckerberg is secretly putting money in your pocket right now, even if you don't realize it? I'm not joking. In 2025, Facebook, or should I say Meta, has rolled out hidden money-making tools that most people are completely ignoring. The crazy part? If you're not paying attention, you're literally leaving money on the table while others cash in. Today, I'll break down exactly how Zuckerberg is helping you make money on Facebook in 2025, and trust me, the last method I'll share might just blow your mind. And if you think Facebook is dead, wait till you see what's actually happening. First, let's clear the air. You've probably heard people say Facebook is old, nobody uses it anymore. Wrong. In 2025, Facebook has over 3 billion active users. That's nearly half the planet. Zuckerberg knows exactly what he's doing. He's turning Facebook into not just a social network, but a marketplace, a business hub, and yes, a money machine for creators like you. Here's where it gets interesting. Facebook is now competing with YouTube and TikTok for creators. Why? Because he knows if he pays you, you'll stay, and that's where the opportunity lies. 2. Facebook Reels monetization. Let's start with the most obvious one, Facebook Reels. If you've been posting short videos on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, Zuckerberg is now saying, hey, bring that content here and I'll pay you. In 2025, Facebook Reels pays creators through in-stream ads, performance bonuses, and even music revenue sharing. That means every time someone watches your reel, you're earning, even if it's just a 15-second clip. But here's the kicker, the algorithm is designed to push Reels aggressively to non-followers. So you don't even need a big page to go viral. One video can put you in front of millions. Now, this sounds good, but what if you don't want to show your face? Stick around because I'll share how faceless creators are cashing in big time. Next up, Facebook stars and supporters. Think of this like Twitch donations or YouTube super chats. Fans can literally buy stars and send them to you while watching your live stream or video. Each star equals real money in your pocket. But Zuckerberg didn't stop there. In 2025, he expanded the supporters program, where people pay monthly subscriptions to your page, like Patreon, but built directly into Facebook. Imagine getting paid every month just for posting content to your audience. But wait, what if you don't have an audience yet? Don't worry, I'll show you how even brand new accounts can tap into this. 4. Facebook Marketplace and Shops. Alright, let's switch gears. You might not be a creator, you might be a seller. This is where Facebook Marketplace and Shops step in. In 2025, Meta has turned Marketplace into the largest free e-commerce platform on the internet. People are selling clothes, gadgets, services, even digital products. And here's the twist, Facebook now integrates with Meta Pay, which means faster transactions and less hassle than before. Even small creators are setting up shops linked to their page and using organic traffic from Reels to drive sales. Imagine posting a viral video and linking it straight to your online shop, free marketing from Zuckerberg himself. 5. Facebook ads made easy. Now, here's something that's been under the radar, Zuckerberg's simplified ad system in 2025. Facebook ads used to be complicated. But now, with AI-driven ad creation, you can literally type what you want, sell my fitness ebook, and Meta's AI builds the whole campaign for you. This means small business owners, freelancers, even musicians can start advertising without needing a big budget or an agency. Zuckerberg is literally lowering the barrier so more people spend ads, and in return, more of us make money selling through the platform. 6. The big secret, AI-powered content boost. Okay, now let me reveal something powerful: Zuckerberg's hidden ace, AI-powered content distribution. In 2025, Meta uses AI to boost original, engaging content. That means if you create something valuable, whether it's a reel, a live stream, or even a written post, the AI decides if millions of people should see it. And guess what? When your content gets pushed, your monetization skyrockets. People earn thousands without even having millions of followers. The playing field is more level than ever. So let's wrap this up. Mark Zuckerberg is literally giving you multiple doors to walk through in 2025: Reels monetization, stars and supporters, shops, ads, and AI content boosts. The only question is, which one will you step into first? Here's my advice: don't wait. Even if you're starting from zero, Facebook has made it easier than ever to make money, whether you're a creator, seller, or just someone with a story to share. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which Facebook money-making feature excites you the most in 2025. And hey,